Grand awakening, Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree, book a massage, check out the music, the ebooks, and also all the other services that we have, the NFTs. You'll love it. Your word of the day is a new opening, a new gate, a new portal, a new door is opening for you, Gemini. What gifts have you been exercising? What gifts have you looked to share with the world? You are the world's greatest teachers of all time. Are you ready for your student body to come and learn from you? When one door closes, I am confident another will open, and it will be for my betterment. It always is, because you always succeed. I accept that life brings challenges and acknowledge the opportunity and learning they present to me. You become wiser, stronger, therefore you can maintain bigger and better blessings. Serenity comes from within. Go with the flow. You're in the right place at the right time, doing the right things. Execute. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.